In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contact on Hubspot. Before we start, a quick note. Deleting a contact removes the record from your CRM. Make sure you have the right permissions in your Hubspot account, and double-check that you're removing the correct person, especially if there are deals or activities linked to them. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot into the search bar, then click the official HubSpot website. Sign into your account using your usual credentials, and if you have access to multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the correct one where the contact lives. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation. Hover your mouse over the sidebar to expand it, then locate the CRM section. Within CRM, choose Contacts. This brings you to your Contacts Index page, where you can see the full list of people in your database. From here, find the contact you want to remove. You can scroll the list, use the search bar at the top to type the person's name or email, or apply filters if your list is long. When you've identified the correct record, click the checkbox to the left of their name. If you're cleaning up more than one record at once, you can select multiple checkboxes. Take a moment to confirm you've selected exactly what you intend to delete. After selecting, look to the top of the table for the action bar and click Delete. HubSpot will open a confirmation prompt. This is a safeguard so you don't remove records by accident. In the confirmation window, you'll be asked to type the number of records you've selected. Carefully enter that number exactly as shown. This step ensures you're fully aware of how many contacts are about to be deleted. If anything looks off, cancel and recheck your selections before proceeding. When you're confident everything is correct, click Delete to finalize. You should see a brief progress indicator, and then those contacts will be removed from your list. A few tips as you wrap up. If you intended to tidy up duplicates, consider merging records instead of deleting, so you retain valuable engagement history. If you don't see CRM or contacts in the sidebar, your view or permissions may differ. Check with your HubSpot admin. Finally, remember that some associated activities may be impacted by deletion, so review important notes, emails, or tasks beforehand, and make sure anything critical is saved or associated with other records. That's it. You've successfully deleted a contact in HubSpot.